Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving the problem mixing liquid and it was asked in starter 201 of CodeChef. So let's read out the problem. So mixing liquid is a problem name. Chef is now making orange juice. He has A units of orange syrup and B units of water. To make orange juice, chef must mix the orange syrup and water in the exactly 1:2 ratio. Otherwise the recipe is spoiled. Okay. Further, chef can only use integer amount of liquids. Got it? Because his measuring cylinder cannot accurately measure fractional quantity. So basically, integer like 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter. In this way, he'll be making. So chef wants to make as much orange juice as possible. How much will he be able to make? The total quantity of orange juice is the sum of units of orange syrup and water. Okay, so got it. So we have in integer denoting number of test cases. So first let's take input and we'll be solving the problem. I'll be telling you on the board. So for every test case, let's call a function solve, or I will not be coding here. I'll be coding in the VS Code only. Don't worry. So yeah, let's go over the examples. So they have given three test cases. In the first test case, orange juice syrup has A units and water is 5 units. So what we have is A units of A is 1 and B what they have given, B they have given is 5. Okay, so this is basically orange syrup and this is water. So what they're saying is in order to make orange juice, chef will be requiring a 1:2 ratio of orange juice, which is let me write OG and water. Let me write water. So what they're saying is basically you need 1 liters of water and 1 units of orange syrup and 2 units of water in order to make the orange juice. So in this case, since we have only 1 liter of orange juice, so 1 liter of orange juice we have taken, and for that you need double of what you have taken to water. So 1 into 2 is 2, so you will be taking 2 liters of uh, water, liters or units of water you can say. So total if you see, you have got 3 units of orange juice, right? So in this case you'll have to print 3, and when you remove 1 liter of orange juice, your A will be 0, and when you remove 2, because 1:2 is the ratio that required to make juice, so your water will have 3 liters. But since your juice quantity is 3, you'll have to output 3. So let's see. Yeah, 3 is the answer. Let us try to take the second example, wherein we have A as 5 and B is also 5, which means we have orange juice of 5 liters and water of 5 liters. So see, one thing is that you are bounded by water first, because in order to make juice you'll have to see, you'll have to divide water quantity by 2. Why? Because if you do 5 by 2, which means you have got 4 liters of water, and only this 4 liters of water you can use. 5 by 2 is 2. 5 by 2 is 2, which means only 2 times you can use the water, meaning one time you'll be taking 2 liters of water, other time you'll be taking 2 units of water, which means total of 4 units of water you can take. So that is the thing here. Now once you have got, this is equivalent to how many liters you'll be taking the water. If you divide water with 2, which means you are taking how many liters of water, orange syrup you need to make juice. Now from the water you have got, like you can take at max 2 units of orange syrup, but you have 5 units, that is fine, so you will be taking only 2 units. So when you take 2 units of orange syrup, and since you have taken 4 units of water, so your answer is 6. And once like final state of A will be, since you have taken 2 3 and you have taken 4, you have 1 liter of water. right? So now if you try to see, if you try to make orange juice, you can't make it now because there is no integer division. That's why. So basically whatever b they have given, you have to divide b by 2, and whatever value you are getting, you will have to take the minimum with the a. So if you do this, and you will have to multiply that with 3. Why you are multiplying that with 3? See, your juice, whatever orange juice you are making, is bonded by water, and every 2 liters of water you require, and every 1 liter of juice you require to make orange juice, right? So that is why here it is 3, like 2 plus 1. And how many liters you will be making? 2 by b by 2. If you do, you are like you'll be taking 2 units of uh, I mean 2 times 2 liters of water, but again it is bonded by a. Why it is a? Because let's you have a as 1 here in this case, as shown in this example. When you have a as 1, you can make only uh, you can use only 1 unit of orange syrup and 2 units of water, and the quantity will be 3. That is the reason we'll have to take minimum of a by a comma b by 2 into 3. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. So yeah, we have here. So actually what we'll be doing is, you'll be, let me try to code it. You have a and b, and for a and b you'll be taking inputs, and b is basically the liter of water. You'll be displaying out 3 into minimum of a comma b by 2, right? Let's try to run it. Yeah, it is getting passed. Let's try to copy paste this code. We are getting 3 says 0. Yes, let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you could have solved the problem. Basically orange juice, orange syrup and water is in the ratio 2:1. So whenever you have 1 unit of orange, so you should have 2 units of water. Let's say you have a units of orange or x units of orange, then you should have 2x units of water. So that is the reason b is bounded by divided by 2. And if you have enough water but you have less a, so you'll have to take minimum of that. And when you are making a juice, so you're taking 1 liter of each, 1 liter of orange syrup and 2 liters of water. So if you add that, that is 3 liters. So you'll be multiplying this answer with the 3. I think you guys got to know how to solve it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.